This site is in Swedish, but it doesn't matter if you don't know any Swedish. And I hope you're using the browser Edge, because if you are a Microsoft user, that is the best browser for you to use. So all you need to know about is when you see a page not in your native language, all you need to do is click on the three dots and from here click Translate. And you can decide if you want to have it in Spanish, Polish, Italian. It's all up to you. I pick English, Translate, and now you can read about all the services I can help you with. If you switch to another page, do the same thing, the three dots, and from here just translate. Ta-da! In this scenario, you actually now are watching this from a smartphone. You can do the same thing. All you need to know about is that you, from your smartphone, bottom right corner, have a menu. And when you click there, on the second slide, you have the translation function, and it works the same way. Good luck! Work smarter and not harder.